Hello and welcome to Integrated Statistics and Methods. I wanted to start by giving you a little orientation to our Moodle page and what our class will entail and get you started on the right track. So to start with, this is our Moodle page. It's organized by week, but the first section will cover all the basics you need throughout the course, so you'll want to check back with this frequently. I've got some tips and pointers here which you should read and familiarize yourself with. If you have questions at any time throughout the course, here is a forum for question and answers among students. So I encourage you to ask and answer questions here, and I'll give you extra credit for participating in this forum either by asking or answering questions. I'll also be checking this as well, but this is a good place for last-minute questions. You also have a final project for this class, and all of the information you need is here under this final project information and files. After that, we've got everything organized by week. You'll see when you review the syllabus that in general everything is due on Sunday, so you'll want to, what you'll want to do throughout the week is work your way through each section. Within each week, I've organized it by different chapters we'll cover. Most weeks we'll cover 2 chapters, although the first week is a short week, so we'll only cover 1. So if we go back to our general information, I want to make sure that you review the syllabus very carefully, which is right here. I'd encourage you to print it out so you always have a copy on hand. So this is what it looks like. I've got my contact information here. Email is the best way to contact me. I respond to emails during the week within 24 hours. It'll take me longer on the weekends though. So be aware that because all of your assignments are due on Sunday nights, if you wait until Saturday night to email me, I won't necessarily be able to help you. So please make sure that you look at all assignments and start doing the work during the week so you have time to contact me with questions. The syllabus also has our course description and course goals. The newest edition of the textbook is the 10th edition. I don't have a problem with you using older editions, but there might be a difference in page numbers and you're responsible for figuring that out. So just be aware of that. Another important thing to note is that we're covering a lot of material in a short period of time. So when you break it up by hours per class during the fall and spring, this equals about 9 hours per week when it's condensed into a summer session. So be aware that this is a substantial time commitment. There's 3 big things that you can do to help you. Stay on top of the material, read the textbooks and all of the notes and do those early and often, and do all of the assignments. The assignments are specifically designed to help you understand the material, so please make sure you do them for your own benefit. Finally, ask questions. You can ask me questions earlier in the week, or if you have questions later at the last minute, or more general questions, you can use the help forum. The material in this course builds on itself, so if you don't understand chapter 1 or chapter 2, make sure you ask questions to get clarification that you need. In terms of course evaluation, 35% of your grade is assignments. Assignments are due on Sunday nights and there are no exceptions. The assignments are supposed to be a learning tool, so you can submit the assignments up to 3 times before Sunday night. However, I do not accept late assignments. You'll receive immediate feedback on short answer or multiple choice type questions, and you can select multiple answers. Questions that are in essay format will not be graded until after the assignment closes, but I'll take your highest grade if you choose to do multiple submissions. Then 25% of your grade is a final project research report, which I'll go over that more throughout the course. But the first part is due in the 3rd week of class. Basically what you're gonna do is read a psychology research article, summarize it, and propose a follow-up study. And then tests are worth 40% of your grade. There's 1 test for each chapter covered, which makes 9 tests total. You can only take the tests once. On the multiple choice component, you may select multiple answers, but you receive 50% penalty for incorrect answers. So you basically have one shot, and then you start getting points deducted. I've also got class policies and procedures that you should familiarize yourself with. So make sure you read through the syllabus more carefully on your own. Going back to our Moodle page, the other really important document is the course schedule, which is right here. And our course schedule looks like this. So I've again broken it down by week, and it basically parallels what's on Moodle. So it tells you what you need to do every week. You should print this out, and then as you go through, check off things when you finish them. So once you finish the Introduce Yourself forum, check that off. This will help you keep track. So if we go look at what we've got for the first week, it's listed on the course schedule, but let's look at it on our Moodle page. We go down to the first week. You've first got some introductory things to do. I've got a forum that I'd like you to do to introduce yourself to everyone, and a syllabus quiz. So this is the forum, and then this is the syllabus quiz to make sure you've read it and understand the course material. So do those things and then go to your course schedule and check them off. Then we'll jump right into chapter 1. So for chapter 1, you'll need to read the chapter, and I've posted a basic PowerPoint. Sometimes there will also be an audio lecture, which I'd really encourage you to listen to and watch and participate in. You'll also have at least one assignment per chapter. So in this case, it's the plagiarism tutorial that you'll need to do, and then you'll submit it here. So this is a link to the tutorial. This is where you'll submit it. And then finally, you'll have a test for the chapter. So that's the basic structure of how the class will work. If you have any questions, please contact me via email, and I look forward to hearing from you and reading your introductions on the Introduce Yourself forum.